Imagine for a moment we are not yet free. How do you feel? The greatest gift our nation has given us is freedom. Freedom to do what we love to do. Freedom to be what we love to be. But this freedom didn't achieve very easily. It took almost 200 years of struggle. Lakhs of people sacrificed their lives. But today I want to ask a simple question. Are we really free today? Is every citizen of India is having their real freedom, enjoying their real freedom? If we are not celebrating our real freedom, then there must be some challenges and which need our immediate attention. And one of the biggest challenges right now in India is media. Media is the only source of information. Media like TV, radio, social media, newspaper, even books. Citizen gets information from there. But why media is so negative in India? Even in the words of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in his book Vision for India, he mentioned why here media is so negative. Why they are not focusing on the success stories. India is one of the biggest production of milk, in the first in milk production. In the remote sensing satellite, India is number 1. In wheat production, in rice production, India is in number 2. There are lots of success story. But why media is focusing on the bad news, disaster, horror? Why? They only say that our government is not good, are not doing many good things. They say our laws are very old. They only say. What they do for this country. So I think as Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also mentioned, that don't ask what your country has done for us. Ask yourself what you have done for this country. And one of the major challenges I want to address today also, it is our own negative behavior. Why we are so negative? The negative behavior comes from jealousy, greed. And this jealousy and greed create a very low self-esteem. People like this, they always pull you down rather to push you up. They don't want to raise yourself. They don't want to up yourself. Rather they are focusing to pulling people down. Why? Even Gandhiji also mentioned that there is enough in this world for our need, but not for our greed. So greed is like, I want to achieve thing instantly. Immediately I want to achieve my goal. And good things doesn't happen overnight immediately. It takes time to achieve. But I must say we should enjoy the process, what we are going through. And one day we can definitely achieve our all goals. So in deep down the heart, I'm also checking that, am I jealous? Am I feel greed about others? And those type of people who are greedy, jealousy, they more jealous about the success of the other people, what they are doing, but they are not focusing on what is their real problem. So one question I want to ask today, to be a better place, to make a better place, India, we must work together. We must leave all this jealousy, all this greed from our life. Let's build a new India where every country, world will recognize us. Of course, we are on the way. There are good people or bad people also, But I think negative behavior we should remove from us. And the media, for one news, please, please, please focus on the positive. Yes, you are also sometimes focusing on the positive, but avoid the mostly negative news. This is Sumit Paul signing out until we meet again.